Hey guys, so this is what she has already done because my phone decided to stop recording, but we're doing blindfolded makeovers. Yeah. Okay, put that back on. Wait. Okay, tell me what you want to do next. Eyeshadow. Oh Lord, you want to use that whole huge thing?
Yeah, I do.
If you mix the colors, I'll kill you.
I don't know what's wrong with this.
Sex. Unprotected sex. If birth control ever fails, I know exactly what to get. Plan B, one step.
This
Emergency contraception.
ad.
I know exactly where to get it. No one is going to get in my way. No one.
Did you not hear what they
Because
said?
Plan B, one step
They
is down
said
in the aisle. I
sex.
can just pop up and take it off the shelf. I don't have to show ID. I don't have to answer questions. Plan B, one step helps prevent pregnancy when taken within 72 hours of unprotected sex or birth control failure. No embarrassment, no judgment. It's about acting responsibly. Plan B, one step. It helps prevent pregnancy.
The song is actually really sad. Now what? No, I will choose the eyeliner for you. No, just kidding. I will give you a choice of 3. Stop. I'm not ready yet.
Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you.
Oh, you chose the boring one. You want to use all 3? Oh Lord, help me.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break.
It seems like you're trying really hard.
All you ever did was break me.
Are you trying really hard?
You wrecked me. I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. It slowly turned. You let me burn, and now we're ashes on the
Oh Lord, I need to close my eyes really tight for this next one.
ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I can't live alone for my life.
It's eyeliner.
Always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. Never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was break me. I came in like a wrecking ball. And I just closed my
Not Sarah.
eyes. Let me crash it in a blazing fire.
Choose one.
All you ever did was break me. Yeah, you wrecked me. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. And instead of using force, I guess I should have let you in.
Is that it?
I
Oh,
never
no,
meant to
lip.
start a war.
Okay, I'm gonna give you
I
just a lot to choose from. Okay, they're right here. Feel them. Feel which one you want to choose.
Oh
my God, you're using all of them? No. Wait, no. Choose between these lip glosses. Oh no.
open your mouth.
Okay, wait before you take it off. On a scale of 1 to 10, how well do you think you did?
Okay, probably like a 7.
Okay.
Can I take it off?
I'd rate this maybe 4, maybe 3. Okay, like come here, come and look at this. That's the blush. That's eyeliner. And so tell me, what would you rate this? And I'm gonna upload me of doing her too.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Bye.